In India, the COVID-19 outbreak and isolation, which has forced closure of 1.4 million government-run child nutrition and early childhood education centers, 60,000 private pre-primaries, 1.5 million K-12 schools, 1,028 universities, 21,271 CBSE schools, 41,907 colleges, 38,495 higher education colleges, 760 higher education universities, and approximately 320 million learners are affected in India alone. Stay home, stay safe, protect yourself and your family. But how to get superior education regularly, affordably, at your home?
During pandemic times and beyond. Reach your students through your exclusive online classes.
Using our free educational portal, www.edupackglobal.com.
Create, post, and host online classes branded in your name. Host unlimited live classes branded in your name. Review, analyze, monitor, and manage your classes with a touch of professionalism. Provide class notes either online or in PDF or Word format, as and when required. Provide assignments and assessments online. Conduct examination and mock test time to time. Assess students' performance, monitor attendance, and many more. Make your online teaching mark with Edupack Global.